His life is successful, who is engaged in philanthropy, Maharishi Vyas. Our mind is enriched by what we receive, our heart by what we give, Victor Hugo. Book title परोपकारी और सेवा भावी बनिए. Become philanthropic, altruistic and service oriented. Serving others is the most incredible way of serving self. The charity helps us to achieve the purpose of life. Gautam Buddha had said, "Those who want to serve me should serve the needy and underprivileged." Only the community where members indulge in altruistic behavior of helping others and collaborate and cooperate experience peace and success. In this situation, people are not selfish anymore and people rise above thinking about me to thinking about us and help each other in a time of need. In this society, everyone finds meaning and purpose in life and carry on their responsibilities and duties with happiness and satisfaction. This leads to an ambience where both people and society feel they are on the road to success, peace, security, and cooperation. This is the reason in all communities and religions, altruistic behavior is given a predominant place because this is the foundation of the existence of a prosperous society. Few excerpts from the book. True philanthropy is that which is done selflessly with an inherent sense of duty. Service done with a selfish motive or for future gains is not charity, it is a deception. God has given us this body to help the unhappy, aggrieved, and needy in society. It is doubtful if we will get these abilities in future or not, so we have to act now as per our capabilities. We should not wait for a favorable time to help others. We have been gifted this body to help people, so we should do so. Service to others is a spiritual practice that is sadhana that will help us excel in life and be complete. The rewards gained by doing service to humanity is the same as those gained by asceticism, rituals and worship. Offering empathy to someone is the most significant help. Monetary help or materialistic things will help someone for a time of need or limited period. Showing compassion to a person gives that person a lifelong friendship and lots of happiness, satisfaction, and hope. This helps the person face all difficulties, sufferings, and inadequacies in life. This small book tells us how we can achieve a state of bliss by helping others. When we spend our energies to help others, we may not gain wealth, but we will be fulfilling the very purpose of our birth. Few topics covered in the book. Do sadhana of charity. Not to procrastinate charitable activities. Service to humanity is service to God. Charity makes the life meaningful.